Привет, моя любимая камера. Ты хочешь остаться дома? Ты хочешь поехать снимать? Ты хочешь поехать снимать настоящих путешественников? Ну давай, go travel!
This nice woman will show us what she will cook for us. This is a special fish. Which kind of fish is this?
It's swordfish.
It's a salt fish. Okay.
Swordfish. I have flat parsley sliced into pieces, and I have garlic again, some shrimps, and preserved lemon, tomato, cherry tomato, carrots, and olives. A mixture for fish is a mixture of spices to cook fish with. It's some 17 spices and herbs in this red one. This one. And then this
What's
is
the name in Moroccan?
sharmoula.
Shalmuna. Okay.
Yeah. This is sometimes in Indian food they have something not exactly similar but a little bit similar to this. They call it tandoori.
Tandoori. Okay, nice. I know that.
And it's not that spicy like tandoori. And this is coriander.
Coriander. Okay.
Grinded.
Is it the coriander from
The seeds.
Oh, okay.
The seeds of coriander grinded. And this is lemon pepper, 5 kind of pepper with black lemon I showed before. And this is cumin. Yeah, and this is ginger, powder of ginger, and this is turmeric, curcuma. This is the tagine. It's just normal, ordinary tagine. Why it's like this? The cover, it helps to have diverse lots of food in the middle of the dome, and then we cover it in order to keep the sauce inside, in order not to add no water, nothing. It's cooked in the own juice. The first thing I need to do is to do like this for
And no fish?
carrots. Not yet.
It's later. Okay.
Yeah. First this. Then I need to put spices in the fish.
This was ginger.
Ginger,
This was
coriander, cumin,
cumin.
cumin,
Yeah.
and
pepper.
pepper. For people who like spicy, they need to add a little harissa in it. This is the herbs.
Which kind of herbs is it?
It's coriander and parsley. Here they are fresh, not sliced. This is salt. Here we put some olive oil.
Like this?
Yeah.
Is enough?
Because no water, just this and the juice.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it enough? Or?
Enough, yeah.
Okay, shukran bizarre. Looks so nice.
Bay leaf, some bay leaf.
Секреты ингредиент.
And this is thyme. Now I put the pieces of fish in the tagine with the sharmoula, with the spices and oil. Look. Now I put the potato in the rest of the ingredients.
Okay.
Like this. قربي الفلفل الحمر. The juice for the juice. This will go into the tagine when the heat will bring it down to the carrots and everything. And then some olives. Shrimps, you can talk on the tagine. And now I will put it to cook. And one thing more that will happen for this tagine is when, before we serve it some 10 minutes, now the preparation is finished. Now we can put it on fire. It will take maximum 20 minutes and then it's served. Bon appetit.
Короче, наш таджин поставили готовиться и сказали 20 минут, и оно приготовится.
This tagine, it has all energy existing on earth. It has energy of the sun on the vegetables. It has energy of earth for the vegetables again. And this has mainly energy of the sea, of the ocean with the fish. So it is the global energy of existing things. You have it in this tagine.
Very nice.
Здесь есть энергия солнца, оно горячее. Энергия земли, много овощей. И энергия моря. Есть морепродукты, рыба и креветки. Так что налетай.
Special.